In today's world, working from home is no longer just a luxury or a rare opportunity. It's become a viable career choice for millions of people around the globe. Whether you're looking to earn extra cash on the side or start a full-time business, there are numerous ways to generate income without leaving the comfort of your home. If you're a beginner, don't worry. This video breaks down 10 easy methods to help you get started, regardless of your skills or experience level. From freelancing to selling products, you'll find plenty of options to match your interests and abilities. To make sure you don't miss any videos from this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get into these top 10 ways to make money from home. Number 10. Remote customer service. For beginners looking for consistent and flexible work, remote customer service is an excellent option. Many companies are outsourcing their customer service operations, providing remote positions where you can assist customers via phone, chat, or email. These jobs typically require good communication skills, patience, and problem-solving abilities. To get started, you can look for openings on job boards like Indeed, FlexJobs, or specialized remote job websites. As a remote customer service representative, your tasks may include answering customer inquiries, troubleshooting issues, processing orders, and providing product or service information. Many positions allow for flexible hours, making it ideal for those with busy schedules. The benefits of this work-from-home job include the opportunity to work for reputable companies and gain experience in customer service without needing extensive previous experience. Plus, some companies offer paid training to get you up to speed, and the pay is competitive compared to other entry-level positions. Number 9. Content creation. If you have a passion for a particular topic or hobby, content creation is an exciting way to make money from home. Blogging, YouTube videos, and podcasts allow you to share your interests, opinions, and expertise with a global audience. Once you've built up a loyal following, there are multiple ways to monetize your content. To get started with blogging, you can use platforms like WordPress or Medium. Creating YouTube videos or starting a podcast requires a bit more equipment, but many content creators start with just a smartphone. Once you've created and uploaded content consistently, you can begin monetizing through ads, affiliate marketing, sponsored content, and even creating your own products or services to sell to your audience. Building an audience is key to making money in content creation, and it can take time. However, the freedom and potential for growth make it a rewarding long-term strategy for beginners looking to turn a hobby into a business. Number 8. Dropshipping. Dropshipping has become one of the most popular online business models for beginners looking to make money from home. It's an e-commerce business where you sell products to customers without holding inventory. When someone makes a purchase from your online store, the supplier ships the product directly to the customer on your behalf. This business model eliminates the need for warehousing, inventory management, and shipping logistics, making it ideal for beginners who want to enter the e-commerce world with minimal upfront costs. All you need to get started is a website, many use Shopify, and a supplier, often found through platforms like Oberlo or AliExpress. To succeed in dropshipping, you need to identify a profitable niche, create a compelling online store, and drive traffic to your site using marketing strategies like social media advertising or search engine optimization, SEO. While it's relatively easy to start, building a successful dropshipping business requires persistence and the ability to scale operations over time. Number 7. Selling digital products. Selling digital products is one of the most scalable ways to make money from home. These products include ebooks, printables, online courses, and photography. The key to success with digital products is that they can be sold repeatedly without incurring any production or shipping costs, which makes them highly profitable. For beginners, the easiest way to get started is by selling on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Teachable. If you're a writer, you can create an ebook on a topic you're knowledgeable about. If you're creative, you can design printables, such as planners, calendars, or art prints. If you're an expert in a certain field, you can create an online course and sell it to others interested in learning. The best part about selling digital products is that once they are created, they can be sold over and over again with little ongoing effort. With effective marketing and a solid product, selling digital goods can become a passive income stream that generates revenue while you sleep. Number 6. Online surveys and market research. One of the easiest ways to make money from home is by participating in online surveys and market research. Companies are always looking for consumer feedback to improve their products and services, and they're willing to pay for your opinion. While this method won't make you rich, it's a great way to earn a little extra cash in your free time. Many reputable survey websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Pinecone Research pay you for taking surveys, watching videos, and testing products. The process is simple. Sign up for an account, complete surveys or tasks, and get paid in cash or rewards points that can be redeemed for gift cards or other prizes. The key to maximizing your earnings is to sign up for multiple survey sites and set aside time each day to complete surveys. While the pay per survey may not be substantial, it can add up over time with consistent effort. Number 5. Selling handmade goods. If you're crafty or have a talent for creating handmade items, selling your creations online is a great way to make money from home. Platforms like Etsy, Shopify, and eBay offer a marketplace for artists, crafters, and DIY enthusiasts to sell their handmade goods to a global audience. Number 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the most effective ways to make money from home without needing to create your own products. Essentially, affiliate marketing involves promoting other companies' products and earning a commission for each sale made through your referral link. Number 3. Online tutoring or teaching. If you have a strong academic background or expertise in a particular subject, online tutoring or teaching can be a rewarding way to make money from home. Whether it's teaching English to foreign students or tutoring high school math, there's a high demand for educational services online. Platforms like VIPKid, Tutor.com, and Preply connect tutors with students from around the world. Many of these platforms require a degree or teaching certification, but there are also opportunities for individuals without formal teaching credentials. Number 2. Virtual assistant services. The rise of remote work has created a significant demand for virtual assistants, VAs. Virtual assistants perform a wide range of administrative tasks for business owners and entrepreneurs, such as managing emails, scheduling appointments, conducting research, and handling customer inquiries. Number 1. Freelance work. Freelancing is one of the most popular and accessible ways to make money from home. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, web developer, or marketing expert, there are numerous freelance opportunities available online. Freelancing allows you to use your skills to work with clients from around the world, setting your own rates and hours. To get started, you can sign up on freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. These platforms connect freelancers with clients looking for their services. While competition can be tough, the key to success is building a strong portfolio, offering high-quality work, and maintaining good relationships with clients to secure repeat business. Freelancing offers flexibility and the potential for significant income, especially as you establish your reputation and expertise. With dedication, freelancing can lead to a sustainable and rewarding career from the comfort of your own home. So, that's it for today's video. To make sure you don't miss any videos from this channel, don't forget to subscribe.